Doesn't 1 2 3 mic check. Testing levels. Testing levels. Levels is good. Levels is good. What the hell happened? Man, bro. I knew it. I knew I shouldn't have. Oof. Just ripping. Yeah, I think I was saying that this morning. Yeah. Right around here, I was watching the market. And we were running up. I thought we were just gonna keep going, but it looks like going into the close we dumped, and then, dude, straight up, bro. Holy smokes. How about, dude? Let me get acclimated here. Look at this. Woof. I want to see what that long term. See what that long term looking like today, bro. Damn, look, my Palantir calls are in the money up here, bro. Look, 1522. Fucking sleeping, bro. Yeah, I really need to get my schedule on point here, bro. Like, this is getting ridiculous, but I mean, I they don't expire until the 9th. Hey, I'm Palantir calls. I got the equity too. Let's see what the S&P 500 is looking like, bro. In the grand scheme, look, dude. Just freaking going, just dumping finding a support and then just ripping to the upside for the rest of the day. Oh my god, dude. Freaking bullishness. Like a mug. How high are we up? I mean, all-time highs is 4,800, so let's just pump our brakes a little bit. But still, definitely bullish. Ah, get Meta, bro. What did I say, bro? Is Meta going? Does it look like Meta's going to 300 or what? I mean, Nvidia at 400, dude. Like, where's it gonna stop at? Ah, my bad, dude. I just woke up on my slumber trying to get some coffee. Oh, look, I got a I got a new scene set up. Check this out. Got the option chain over here so we can really see what's going on. Got the heat map. I mean, look at success. Freaking just fading and fading. That's why I watch it. Because if success is fading, uh, you pretty much know the market's going to the upside. You also got Disney down here, look, trying to do something. Remember, I threw Disney in the long term as well. I mean, just because we freaking uh, gave some back, you feel me? I'm not sweating it. That's more of a long term play. And if you think about it, dude, if the market's gonna just go back to being straight bullish, like it has been in the past, um, this isn't a bad spot to get in Disney. Under 100. What about this AI? What did it end up doing it earlier this morning when I was watching it pre-market uh, on the stream? It looked like it was giving some back. Yeah, it dumped yesterday, but the good thing about it is, um, dude, it's up so much. That's you would expect us to, I mean, for people to take some profits at some point. But the good thing about it is it didn't give it all back. Didn't even give back half. I didn't think it gave back a quarter of the total run. And look, we found support down here at like 31, and are continuing to the upside. Google here, I mean, I don't really watch Google that much, but I'm going to start watching it. So that's why I got it over here as well. I wonder how hard it is to see this section over here because it looks like it's small because it's a like all the other resolutions are 1080p, either 1080p or yeah, they're 1080p, but some of them are in portrait mode, like short mode. Dog, you know something that's raw? Look at Amazon popping. That's when I should have added to the long term. But I don't know. Is it a chase at this point? You know what I'm saying? Probably not, because they did that reverse split or whatever it was. So this is probably if we're going into a bullish environment, then I don't I don't think it's a bad spot to jump in. I don't know. Is the market extended? It sure isn't behaving like it is. Oh my god. Cuban coffee, bro. With that sugar game, bro. It's so good. It's so good. The only problem is I really believe I'm drinking too much of it. Damn, bro. Like, I just couldn't do it. Like, I was up this morning. You feel me? Like, I was like streaming pre market. Really early pre market from like 5 to freaking 7. You know what I'm saying? I was like, uh, let me just take like a quick little 2 hour nap and get back up, bro. I couldn't do it. You feel me? And it sucks because it's just the way my schedule is right now. Look at the S&P 500, dude. We're melting up, going. All right, we're in power hour now. And the S&P 500 is just pushing up higher and higher. I'd just be scared to chase something right now, dude. Honestly, because I mean, first of all, like because I haven't been sitting. Though this thing's rocketing. Look at this. Uh, New high on everything on the SPY, the Qs, the S&P 500. Meta's near the high. Nvidia's near the high. Tesla's on the high. Amazon's near the high. Disney's near the high a day. Google's in the middle. So if we continue to remain bullish, uh, Google has the most ground to gain, maybe. I don't know if that makes sense or not. Look, Disney on the high here. Which I want to see. 90 is. I seen some violent price action just now. I think 90 is where I got back in. And look, as you see success start dumping, the market's ripping to the upside. Look at that. Look at that. Look over here. AI. AI could pop. Look in power hour going into the close. It looks like I'm seeing some semblance of a dump on AI right now. Amazon up here near the highs. It's looking like we're seeing some top in action right now. Right now. And we've been quite bullish. So could this be a reversal opportunity? Look, look at that wick right there. No, success is still dumping, but look at what AI did. Uh, Even Amazon up here. Let's actually look at a higher time frame. All right, so now if you look a little closer on Amazon, look, we've basically been topping out up here all day at 123.36s. Bro, I could barely read it. It's because it's 4K, everything's very small. I need to fix it. Make the font bigger or something. The only thing is, if I make the font bigger on the chart, it does it globally. So then on these other monitors, it makes the font bigger as well. All right, so look, Amazon has been topping out here all day. Well, it hit it one, two, three. Third time's a charm. Either we hit it and reject, or we break above it. Basically. Google's trying to bounce again. Let's see where Google is in the grand scheme of things. Okay, so Google, I mean, there's some type of intraday resistance there, but uh, right there, right at 124.18 on Google, AI's taking a breather. Look, Success is still dumping on the lows. Uh, and then Disney, still putting in higher lows. All right. The Qs and the SPY are basically on the high, but it's like I was seeing like a little weakness start to creep in for a second, but Amazon just broke past that resistance. Okay, Amazon, damn, I'm pissed too because I was looking for something else to throw in the long term. Probably should have been Amazon, especially when it was like closer to 100. All right, so it's like I'm seeing like a little semblance of weakness maybe come in. I don't know. Like I said, I don't really have a feel for it because I haven't been in the markets all day. But if you notice on the S&P 500, look what's happened for the last 5 minutes. We've basically gotten up here to 42.32 and change, and it's almost like there's some resistance there. Might be a level from a prior day. Look at Palantir. Palantir still remaining, still grinding up and putting in higher lows. Look, those calls were in the money up here today, bro. But okay, hold on. You see this wick on Palantir? See. What I was just saying, looks like we're kind of like topping out on some resistance, and I thought I seen a little bit of weakness coming into the market. Might be a good opportunity for a reversal real quick. You know what I'm saying? Uh, because look, we're seeing a little top and a little weakness, but at the same time, you can't rule out the possibility that it's just a healthy pullback. But I mean, clearly, you can see a little weakness starting to show here on Palantir, also in the S&P 500. I mean, on the SPY, on the Qs. I mean, Apple's like doing some of the same. I just seen some violent price action on Meta, I believe. Uh, Tesla pull back a little bit, but that's what I'm saying. We can't rule out the possibility that it's just a healthy pullback. But I mean, again, I haven't been in the markets all day, but if I had to take a guess, just looking at it, since we've basically been bullish all day, it wouldn't surprise me if we dumped going into the close. It may look so. Look at Amazon. broke past that freaking resistance, and now it's breaking back down. Google, let's go to a lower time frame. I don't really know too much about how Google and how it moves, but we are near a resistance intraday, but almost looking like we're breaking above it for a second. Then we seen a little weakness. AI dumped a little bit, but still good. It's just a higher low, basically. But look here, look at Disney. Look at it's like hit like a resistance up here, flatlined. You feel me? All right, let's watch success for a second. I mean, it's all right. So this is where everything was flatlining at. But now, if this thing continues to dump, that means the market's gonna continue to go up. Feel me? But we have to watch this. If this thing finds support and starts grinding up, then we know the market's gonna start fading. But what I'm saying is, yeah, that's obvious. But what you'll notice is sometimes one's leading, and one's lagging. And I'm definitely seeing some weakness come into the markets. Look at the S&P 500 here. Look at Palantir. Nvidia has backed up off the highs a little bit. It took its foot off the gas pedal for a second. Nothing to write home about. No, but Nvidia's like acting like it wants to dump. It's really acting like it wants to dump. But we need to cross-reference that with the rest of the market first. Because see, look, the S&P 500, it's now bouncing again. But look, we've been topping out up here. Dude, I just seen some crazy. Uh, See, look, if you go to the 5 minute, look at what the S&P 500 is doing. The 10 minutes, it's even a little more evident. See, it's like we got up to this 23.31 and flatlined for a second. I think we just broke past it. Yeah, we did. Yeah. All right, so never mind. I still feel like Nvidia's looking weak though. I mean, never mind. It was looking weak. Not anymore. No, I'm gonna maintain that. I think Nvidia is looking weak right now. I mean, this late in the day, you can't trade same day expirations. So look, here's the option trade. I mean, you'd go out to June 2nd. This is should be the SPY. See something? needed to relink that. Alright. Alright. SPY calls expiring tomorrow. I'm at SPY options expiring tomorrow. So I only got 20 strikes on there. I think that's enough. Cause look, alright, on the long chart. Look, you see, this is what I'm saying. Like, it looked like I was starting to see some weakness in the market. Look at Apple. Look at the SPY. Look at the Qs. Look at Tesla. Look at Palantir. Look at the S&P 500. Right. Look at Meta. Backing up off the highs. Little red candle here. Lower low. Wick reaching up and rejecting off the 9. Another lower low. Another little baby wick. And again, remember I was saying Nvidia's looking weak. Here, look. Look what we've done. And now look. It's just it's been such a bullish day that you know, I don't feel real comfortable like trading against the trend. But I like to find uh like when, you know what I'm saying, like when there's a high probability for reversal. And I mean, this is a scenario where I've seen stranger things. Look, rip all day, got to a point, hit resistance, and now we're like trading sideways and chopping around and looking weak. Now look at Amazon. Look, look on that level. Look at Google rejecting. Look at AI dumping more. Now look at success. So look, it faded to a point and basically stopped. Look, it faded to a point, basically stopped and put in a higher low. And look at Google dumping right now. Yeah, bro, I'm telling you. I think we're at the top of the range now, and we've been bullish all day. And I wouldn't be surprised if they come in with the fake out at the end, going into the close. So I'll be looking at those 422 puts on the SPY. If I continue to see weakness only. But right now I'm not seeing it. Palantir is bouncing. Also the S&P 500's trying to bounce. Let's see what happens let's see if we can break past the 9 here. Look, I'm seeing weakness. We just have to figure out which one of these charts is lagging and which one's leading. Success is bouncing. I'm seeing weakness. Look at that wick. Look. I'm seeing weakness for sure. I'm looking at the 422 puts on the SPY. Expiring tomorrow. Look, they already went up, dude. Ooh. They were just under $1. Let me make sure I can actually even execute a trade. It's not, I'll freaking I'll log into my other account and see something. Oh, yeah. Yeah. All right. Yeah. Okay. Be looking at those 422 puts on the SPY. Dude, they went up so much in just that short period of time. I'll be looking at those 422 puts on the SPY. Dude, they keep going up.
Order filled.
All right. See, I had to bullshit around a little bit before I executed my trade. Look. That's what I'm looking at. And I'm looking at that as I'm thinking we might see some reversal action. And also this. Nvidia looking weak. Meta looking weak. Look, the whole market's looking weak and fading and dumping right now, dude. Look. Palantir, the S&P 500. These aren't dumping as much right now, but if honestly, if the market continues to just look like this, uh, they will start dumping soon. Keep in mind, when I originally wanted to take the trade, the contracts are under $1. Look at Amazon. Look at Google now. Look at AI. Look at Disney. Look at Success. What did I say? When we come down here and find support and stop fading and consolidate and start heading up the other way, putting in higher lows, the market's going to start fading. I mean, it's common sense. For most people that's been in the markets for a while, but you know what I'm saying? Like, it's not common sense for everyone. Remember, I didn't grab the same day expirations. I grabbed the ones that expiration. That's the wrong chart, bro. Well, look at Nvidia. See, that's a decent fade off the highs right there, bro. Decent fade off the highs. Well, we just need some follow through. Because all day we haven't really seen a fade this substantial yet. Except for here. Other than that, consolidation. You know what I'm saying? We haven't seen anything this substantial yet. You feel me? We just need to make sure that we get some follow through on it. I don't like how we stopped fading here and put in a little higher low. Let's get down a little bit deeper in the trenches. Alright, so dumped, and we're just trading side. We're just chopping around sideways on the 32nd. Now I'm seeing a little wick on the 30-second here. But Palantir is trying to bounce a little bit. But look at this wick reaching up and rejecting off the 9 EMA. Now, I'm bullish on Palantir on the long term, in a long term sense. But short term, I want to see it reject and fade with the rest of the market from our short term trade. Mm. So what that means is, I guess you can be bullish and bearish on the stock, on the same stock, at the same time. You can be bullish and bearish on the stock at the same time. For short term, I have no bias. First of all, I don't have any bias. You gotta leave your bias out of it, because that way, when you leave your bias out of it, look, dumping more. Notification that I get just now. Come on, Matt Kors, you don't stream at this time, bro. Look, dumping more, bro. Dumping and slumping more. Dumping more. Dumping more. And what did I say? Remember, I was like, dude, I haven't been in the markets all day, but just based off of the charts that I am seeing, we've been bullish all goddamn day. So I would not be surprised if going into the close, power hour, and going into the close, we dump. And that's exactly what happened. And I'm not just talking out of my ass. I'm throwing out predictions. I actually took the trade. And I'm up on it, by the way. Remember, I grabbed the 422 puts up here. We're trading at 421.89 now. So they're in the money for sure. By how much, I don't know, because I don't watch my P&L. It's just another distraction. Look. Higher lows getting put in on success. As long as this thing continues to put in higher lows, we fade. We keep fading for the rest of the day. As long as this thing keeps putting in higher lows and grinding up, we keep fading and melting for the rest of the day. Look at Disney, hit up here and rejected decent. Rejected off the top of the range basically. AI freaking hit some level up here, 3570s, and just freaking dumped. But it's starting to try to bounce now. But I still see success trying to look bullish here. Look at Google, what a dump. Look at Amazon, way off the highs now and heading lower. Dumping. dumping, slumping. No, dude, those contracts are deep in the money right now. Just looking at the options chain, look. I grabbed the 422 puts when they were like $1. When I first looked at them, they were under $1. And they were around $1 when I grabbed them. Look, they're just going up. Look, 175 now. So I'm up 75 cents on each contract. And I mean, honestly, I'd be more than happy to just take my profits off the table right now. But look. Look at this dump, dude. It's going to take a lot for us to stop dumping. Let's see if there's any supports under there anywhere. Okay, like right here. We're going to definitely have trouble breaking down. So if you did fade, when I faded, you got to think about taking profits around here. Just because, look, we chopped around this level for an extended period of time earlier. This 42.18, see right here, we were bullish and then we traded sideways and consolidated for a minute before trying to take the next leg higher, but it looks like we're actually already breaking that level down. Yeah, we already cracked it. So actually, dude, those trizzies are so deep in the money right now. Look at that fade, bro. Did I call that shit or what, dude? I called it, bro. Again. Tell you, dude, you better freaking follow and freaking sub and turn on notifications, bro. Hold it again, dude. I'm about to take profits. Look. Those contracts are, look, they just went up. That means we dumped more. Look, now they're $1.80. 83. Oh shit. We might just dump. We might just keep fading because look, we haven't even hit the 10 minutes of terror yet. We haven't even hit that 10 of 10 yet. Dude, if we're still fading like this and we hit that 10 of 10, bro, oh my god, dude, we're gonna dump so hard, bro. Look at that. Look at this. Look at this shit, dude. Look at that. Bro, I'm talking about, dude. Dude, I called it. All you gotta do is watch it. Especially if we've been bullish all damn day. Like, it's not like we're gonna be bullish all day, just all day, even into the close. You know what I mean? There's gotta be like a major catalyst or something for you to see that. Other than that, you know, like, if we're bullish all day and we finally get to the top of the range or resistance and start topping out and trading sideways. Now, what I don't like is, look, Palantir is, look, it came down here to a support and now it's trying to bounce. And you see a little bounce coming to S&P 500 as well. Nvidia is also trying to bounce and put in higher lows. As you can see from here, Meta was fading decent, and even it's trying to stop the hemorrhaging. Wait, look at Nvidia. Let's see, because we just reclaimed the 9 EMA for a second. Look, this is what I'm watching. Right here, bro. And now look at NVIDIA. And look at Meta. So we're still fading. Definitely. Look. Dude, them things are worth $2 now. They're worth $2. Look, $1.95 now. They were just $2. Where's that beat that I made? Cover your ears for a second. We're dumping. Look at Amazon. And more importantly, look at Success. What did I say, bruh? What did I say, though? Hold on real quick. I'm still here, dude. What chart are we on? The main? Seeing a little bouncing coming in. Look, those Trizzies are 203. $2. I'm probably gonna just go ahead and take profits. But look, we were not even like in the 10 of 10 and we're still dumping. Look. How much? Look, they're worth over $2 now. Let's see, we're seeing a little bouncing come to the market now. Look at that. Look at the S&P 500. $42.12. Is that a significant level? Hey, that beat though. All right, see how we kept fading. We came down here and stopped hemorrhaging, and then look, Palantir tried to bounce. I mean, Meta still fading, but that's a 3-minute. Yeah, Meta still fading. Nvidia's trading sideways. This thing's trying to bounce. Now the contract's only worth 190. Let's see if it's another little fake out like this. We look like we're gonna bounce, but then we kept look, yeah, look at this wick. About to keep dumping. About to keep dumping. These are 30-second candles. Hey, that beat though. I bring the heat though. The trizzies are over $2 again. I get on for 30 minutes and I win. But I don't like how we're bouncing. We're playing around too much. I'm about to take my profits, dog. Because guess what? That's what I have to work on when I'm right, and I'm in the and my trade has worked. I need to just take profits and stop seeing how much it could work. You feel me? That's one thing that I need to work on. But let me just see if we're gonna crack right here. If we don't crack right here, I'm just gonna take profits. The S&P 500's bouncing. You see this? We're chopping around sideways. I don't like it, especially with Palantir bouncing. And now look. Meta is showing some signs of life. Nvidia is showing some signs of life. How much are my jerseys worth now? Now $1.85. Still up decent on them, but I was they were worth $2 or more just a second ago. Again, I just want to see if we're gonna crack this level right here, because it's not out of the question yet. And you also have to remember we got the 10 minutes of terror coming up, but I've also seen the inverse 10 minutes of terror. Alright, so look at success. You see how we were putting in higher lows and then we got here and we like hit a wall? Look. And now we're dumping, and then success is fading. And look, AI's running again. Google found support and it's bouncing. Amazon's bouncing. This thing's bouncing. Dude, I'm taking profits.
Order filled.
Alright. Profits off the table. Sorry, bro. I'm not playing with it, bro. Like, fuck it. I'm up, dude. Like, that's what I need to work on. Like, because, like, 9 times out of 10, or I'll say 8 times out of 10, I'm right. Short term. But when I sit in the trade and try to be more right, is when I give money back. And even then, the contracts were worth over $2 at one point. I ended up selling them when they're worth like 180 something. So I left $20 per contract on the table. So $100. But still, I mean, I got him at a dollar, like $1.05. Sold them at like 185, so I made $80 per contract. I'm still decent. You know what I'm saying? For just like freaking just waking up and jumping in for power hour, like I'll take that. Now look, seems like we're trying to go up, but don't be fooled, because look, there's a range here, so we can bounce up here and test the top of this range right here and still not break out of it to the upside and be bullish. You could hit it and reject and keep going down. If you're still in a trade. But I mean, if you look across the markets, everything's pretty much bullish right now. But look, we're going into the 10 minutes of terror. What did I say? I didn't say anything definitively. I said just be mindful of that. Because look, rejecting. Look, if this thing comes back down here and cracks its 42.18, hey, look, 10 minutes of terror starts in 40 seconds. A good thing I sold those things when I did. I mean, I still would have been up, but still. Bro, look, right at the 10-minute mark. You seen all that volatility across the whole market. Look, dump. Even Success was looking crazy. Even Success was dumping. I'm talking about across the whole market, bro. Look. What did I say? Don't be fooled. Did I say that? I'm telling you, bro. I mean, at this point, like, I've already freaking closed out the trade, so I don't really care. I really want us to be bullish now, so my Palantir calls should go back in the money. My bad, I was on the wrong chart. Look, what did I say? We're basically trading in a range, so don't be caught off guard if we come up here and test the top of it, and even if we break above it for a second, don't be fooled, because we have the 10 minutes of terror coming. And look, right at 350, we cracked down in here, and now this is acting as resistance with this long wick here. And it's seeming like we're about to keep fading. Look at Palantir. Hold on, that's a 3-minute. Look. Dump. Long wick. Sideways. Dump. And look. Told you, dog. Look, now those jerseys are back up at 180s. Actually look like they're about to go deeper in the money, back to $2. Probably should have held on. But it's all good. I'll never be mad at myself for taking profits, bro. Are you serious? Look at Google. Look at Google. Crossing above VWAP with strength on the 1 minute. Look at that. Look, this thing's rocketing, bro. What's going on with Google right now? And AI. Oh, look, Google and AI working together. That makes sense. Meta's fading. Hold on, I need to get some water. Alright, see a little bouncing coming in. Oh, fucking hot in this mug, bro. Got this freaking behemoth over here, freaking drawing 375 watts of power. Freaking big boy GPU. Alright, I mean, well, looking like a dump's coming. Remember, there's about 3.5 minutes left. But I mean, obviously it's probably too late to be taking any trades unless you're getting set up for tomorrow. Look at Amazon dumping. Google got up here. Success is like looking like it wants to run. Look. Success coming up to test this 1170s. Look at that double top right here. We could see another massive dump right now. S&P 500. Basically looking like it's going to be range bound for the rest of the day. Look, I thought I was seeing some dumping right now. I don't know, Meta's bouncing. Palantir's looking like it's wants to fade a little. Alright, so we're within the last minute. Amazon making another push. Google making another push at highs. AI, I don't know what it's doing. It's looking like it wants to dump. But Google's pushing up. Look at what Google did in the last 15 minutes. 123.50s to 124.50s, damn near. That's some nice range in 15 minutes. There we go. Market close. Oh, Disney got a pop right at the end. Oh, look what happened on the S&P 500 right at the end. Nice little pop right at the end, right at the close. And that's what the markets basically look like. There's your SPY. bullish day overall. See, even on a bullish day, look, I just got lucky and basically recognized that we're topping out here for 30 minutes and that we'd fade off of that level. Yeah, that's the play that I took. Only because I got in the market so late. Otherwise, I probably would have been trading with the trend to the upside. But like after this whole move has happened, like you already missed it to the upside. So the only thing you can do is wait for a possible reversal and catch the fade real quick. Well, that's what I did. And look, you could see it on Apple too. Look. Look. Off the 15-minute. So bullish like the rest of the market. It's a large cap. Look, we got up to 180 and just traded sideways, hit a brick wall. You feel me? Topped out. So, and then we eventually rejected. And that's the move I caught. You feel me? It just wasn't on Apple, it was on the SPY. On the SPY, the move was a little more exaggerated. Look, we went from 422 down to 420. I believe I had the 422 puts. So we're up here at 422 and change. I grabbed the 422 puts and faded them down here to 420. To 420 and change. But I mean, this is what I mean by it's a major advantage to watch the entire market. Because look, you can like on any of these large or mega caps, that it doesn't matter which one, that move would have worked. You feel me? So it's whatever ticker you're more comfortable with, that you've watched the most and you know how it trades. And it's a large cap. You feel me? You watch the entire market and then you focus on whatever ticker you're more comfortable with. But basically, as I just showed you, it doesn't matter what ticker it is, as long as it's a larger mega cap. I mean, Amazon, dude, that thing faded decent. But look, here's that same move on Amazon. Look, got up here, topped out. 123.30s. Rejected. You could have caught it on Amazon. Google, I mean, right here, basically, you could have caught it on Google too. But Google just got right here and freaking ripped. So, that one would have been a little more tricky. AI is not really a large cap, so you're not gonna. It's a totally different approach when trading those. And look, even on Success, you could see it. It's just the inverse. Look, that's just when we bounced here, the market dumped. Look, even on Disney, could have caught that move right there. So I mean, doesn't really matter. But yeah, man, Yeah, I apologize for freaking not being here through the whole trading period. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3, mic check. Yeah, like one of my gaming videos, like my audio or something was off sync. But yeah, again, I apologize that I missed most of the trading period. However, I was on pre-market and I did make it for power hour. And hopefully I was able to provide some type of value. I mean, I think I provided value. I mean, I showed you a trade where you could have made money. And I also took the same trade. So, you know, I'm not full of shit. You feel me? I like that new setup though. I like how I can come over here now. Alright. And I have more charts. And I can show you the actual option chain. You feel me? Just trying to verify that there's no personal information on that shit. I don't think there is. Yeah. Dude, I'm not gonna lie, I feel like getting rid of all my regular monitors and getting 4K. Cause this 4K monitor over here, bro, like you can fit way more on it. It just looks better, bro. Look, like from here, okay, so from here to here, there's only half of the monitor. That's why I got no more charts past Amazon and stuff, because like the resolutions don't match with my other monitors. So therefore this one's cut off halfway. And that's why there's nothing over here but me and my, you know what I mean, some little design elements or whatever. But yeah, dude. And they're so cheap now, too. But yeah. Again, apologize for that. But anyways, hope I was able to provide some value. So again, it's your boy E with some finance solutions. All right. If you learned anything or found any value in the content, don't be afraid of the like button or even subscribe. Hit the bell and get the hell over to my Discord and or Patreon to sign up for that daily morning briefing and watch list, which gives you that edge, brethren. Peace. Better freaking sub and turn on notice. That way, you could have jumped. Next time you can jump on that play real quick. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Make you a couple $100 in 30 minutes. You know what I'm saying? Like, I think that's worth your sub, if you ask me. But please, about to get on and do either some music production or some gaming. I don't know yet. But gotta keep both sides of the brain working. You feel me? But please.